I'm Elzora.
And I'm Aiden.
And today we are out and about at the 2023 St. Francis School Book Week.
Our school has recently transformed into an enchanting world of books, stories, and characters. It was an unforgettable week when we set aside our usual schedules to celebrate the magic of reading.
We have had a blast this week, showcasing our creativity by dressing up as our favorite book characters. We were thrilled by the visit from a renowned author, had tons of fun book-related activities, and of course, the book fair was a huge hit. Let's turn the page and take a look back at some of the highlights of this year's book week.
Peter.
Hello.
Who are you dressed up as today?
Willy Wonka.
Nice, we're the same character. If you could meet any character from a book you've read, who would it be and what would you say to them?
Willy Wonka. Because I want free chocolate and I want him to sign my hat.
Hi Grace.
Hi Eva.
Who are you dressed up as today?
I'm dressed up as Mike TV.
And from what book?
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Well, it's nice to see you back to your normal size. If you could meet any character from a book you've read, who would it be and what would you say to them?
Well, it's not a character, but an author whose name is Jacqueline Wilson, and I would like to ask her what inspired her to write.
Thanks.
As you've seen, Book Week at St. Francis School has been filled with excitement, imagination, and lots of page-turning adventures. We all returned home with our hearts full of wonderful stories and our hands full of exciting new books to read.
On behalf of the entire SFTV team, thank you for watching, and we can't wait to bring you more from St. Francis School next time. Alright, I'm off to read a book.